Hello, welcome to LEB Toys. We're building a bit of a different set today. This one is called the Lego Disney Princess Castle Interior Kit, and it's just a whole heap of furniture and accessories. Look, like you can see there, but there's no mini dolls included. So just accessories that you can build, and then you can use them to really help fit out your castles. And we've got quite a crumpled sheet of stickers there. And yep, we've got our instruction book, we've got everything we need. And it doesn't come with any mini dolls. So I've brought in a couple of princesses to help us out. First up, we've got these little stands for some accessories. So we've got a crown and a bow, of course, and we need these, and a flower. So some hair accessories. It's just kind of not random stuff, but things that you would put in as extras, and a whole heap of little bottles, really pretty bottles with jeweled stoppers. So lotions or shampoo or perfume or drinks or whatever you want them to be. They're just really pretty, and I like the fact that they're all using translucent pieces in some way or another. So some bottles. And we've got some stools, and here's where we're going to use the first of our stickers. So we've got two of these purple ones. And if I can just get it on straight. So this is a little low to the ground stool, and this one is up here on a, well, it's raised up on a square. And it's got a different pattern cushion on it. But you can take those little circles off wherever you like and match them up if you want. So far we don't have a huge amount of stuff, but we can have Anna here doing Rapunzel's hair and hairspraying it or putting some gel in, just with these few pieces that we've already built so far, but there's more. So we'll move all these back, and we've got another stool, and this one's getting a light purple, yeah, oh, okay. So a light purple circle, but with this same cushion pattern print as the one that was low to the ground, but they could now claim this cushion. This one's for me and this one's for me, and you can't sit on the pink one because it's mine, because they're not good at sharing. No, that's nonsense. They're very good at sharing. And a scepter. Oh, look. So that's so you can look very regal and everyone can know that you are a queen, or you can poke people in the eye with it if you're not very careful. Be careful, Anna. And there's a book. Oh, one of the lovely old-fashioned-y type books that I love so much. Oh, it's not a book, it's got a letter inside it. So this is for hiding or maybe holding royal letters or royal decrees. And it gets a sticker on the front with a crown and a heart. Here we are. I have no idea what's in here, but Belle wants to read it because it's a book. She doesn't care what it's about. As long as it's a book and she can read it, she is in there. So she's looking after the book. And now we've got a teapot and, oh, some translucent pink mugs. And this is, oh, here we go. This is a little side table for a tea party. And here looks like we've got a matching one for a bit of an afternoon tea snack. And on our plate, we get a croissant and we get some cherries. Well, we don't. The princesses do. I could put some gel on that too. Or pretend it's sauce. You can pretend they're whatever you like. So they can sit here at their little high stools and have something to nibble on or have a little tea party. There are so many ways we can use this. This is fun. What do we got next? Might be a lamp. No, it's definitely not a lamp. Everybody's falling over. It's a little table with a bouquet of flowers. It's falling over too. Bouquet of flowers on the top. And even though it looks very pretty with that gold stud on the bottom, it doesn't make it very stable when you've just got it here on the table. It'll be alright when we attach it to some more Lego. What have we got now? We're working upside down. It could be a little staircase to somewhere. Maybe a little ramp up to something. Oh, pretty! I like those little shield pieces. And we've got another little seat. Someone's going to claim this cushioned seat. Let's find out who it's going to be. Oh, it's not a little ramp up to something. It is a throne fit for a Disney princess. Oh, it's pretty too. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, and the little crown piece on the top. Right, Aurora is claiming this one, and she looks very regal in that. We can put the bouquet of flowers right next to it to decorate the whole room. Oh, this is fun. What have we got now? Maybe, oh, I don't know, maybe a bookcase? Oh, not a bookcase. It's going to be a little cupboard. Oh, cute little cupboard to store stuff in. Or it could be a bookcase. We could store the book in here. And we're using up some of these. That's interesting. So we're just shoving a flower up there and a little heart down there. I feel as though we're just putting stickers on that so that we know it belongs to the Disney princess sets. The scepter does not belong in there, but we could dismantle it and put it in there. Or Anna could try and play hide and seek in the cupboard, and it's not going to be very effective because she doesn't fit at all, but it won't stop her from trying. It doesn't fit the scepter. So I don't know what we'll use the cupboard for. We'll decide in a moment. What have we got next? We've got a mirror, a big, a tall mirror. So a floor-length mirror with some pretty decorations on it, and it actually reflects very nicely. Oh, Aurora, you look lovely today. And on the back, it gets another sticker. This is clever. It can be multifunctional. This one's got a bookcase on it and a little banner, so we could turn it around if you want to use it for a mirror. And if you turn it back around the other way, you can use it as a bookcase. So many choices, so many ways we can set all of these accessories up. Okay, next, this is exciting. Maybe it's another chair, maybe another throne. It certainly looks very throne-like. Oh, hold on, it's looking less throne-like now. Oh, a lotion sticker. So we got all of those lotions that we made before, all those bottles. And on the other side is another mirror. So maybe for a little dressing table. And we could put the stool up here in front of it. But I might want to finish building it first before I start mucking about with it. Oh, that's cute. A little dressing table. And is this going to be another cupboard? We're putting a sticker on it first. The little heart sticker. And maybe a bookcase. And the little flower sticker. Oh, it's a grandfather clock. Oh, that's really cute, and I've missed some pieces off here. So I need to go back and fix that up. That's what happens when you start playing with things before you finish building them. Sometimes you forget pieces and you have to go back and fix it up again at the end. Happens to me all the time. Not really very surprising. But we can store all of the hair accessories in here, I've decided. So let's shove some of them in here. Perfect. Now they're not going to get lost. And we could set this dressing table up. We could put it with the lotion side front, so we can put all the lotions on it. We could pack them all in here. Where are they? I've lost some. Oh, that's cute. There's still another one around here somewhere. Where is it? Where are you? No, hold on. I'm taking the bottom off that table of flowers because it just keeps falling off. Oh, here it is. So now it's a lotion table, or you can turn it around and turn it into a dressing table. I just love it. There's so many choices. And I can even put a little hair accessory. We'll put their crown here on the dressing table if you're happy to pack everything in really tightly, which I am happy to do. Now, this is, as far as I know, a first off for Lego. We have got some soft furnishings here that are not an accessory, not a clothes accessory, they're actually rugs for the floor. So you can just put these anywhere you like on the floor. And this is going to be especially cool if you're not actually setting your scene up on a Lego base plate. If you're setting it up on a flat tabletop like I am at the moment, this just makes it look extra pretty and puts extra patterning in too. So if we put our throne here with our table with the decorative flowers on it, and we could put the tea party on the other side, and we could put a little kneeling stool down here, we can set it up however we like, and we can have that little cloudy one as a path up to the throne. Look at all these choices, all these ways we can set it up. I like Aurora's throne room at the moment. Or they can set it up as a proper tea party. How cute is that? It's so cute. or as a dressing room with all those mirrors there, and you can have stools, and I love the little rugs. Now, I think the actual purpose for these, well, you can play with it however you like, but you can take some of the existing Lego sets, the Disney princess sets, which have got all of these pop-inable and outable furniture pieces, and we can change them over. So if we take that stool out, we can put the cupboard in, and we could maybe put the dressing table over here that hangs off the side. We could just make a little scene, another little scene down here on the table. The ideas are endless. The ways we can play with this and set it all up with all of the Disney princess stuff is endless. In fact, we're currently making a whole little bedroom set right here. Check it out. The dressing room and a little cupboard and a little end seat there for the bed. Oh, who's going to sleep in here? Rapunzel is going to claim this room for her own. Or here we go, I've got more ideas. I told you there's so many. We could take away the royal dining area here in Cinderella's castle and we could turn it into a throne room. So how are we going to do this? That's just hanging off the edge. So maybe set it back a bit. There we are, the royal throne room. We can put the grandfather clock over here and a bookcase over here. And she can have a little table with a cup of tea to refresh her while she is busy greeting her subjects or listening to their concerns. We can put the table with the flowers on it over on the other side because it's just so cheerful. And we can even use this little tiny one here as a footstool for the princess or for the queen. Oh, and of course I like that little, it's like a royal rug that they have to walk up to get to see royalty. So cute. Belle's come to visit and she's actually putting her book away in the grandfather clock where it belongs. Oh, just stuck my finger to the crown. It's all good. Let's try this again. I want to actually set her royal throne up outside at the entryway of the castle so she can greet her royal subjects out here in the sunshine because it's a beautiful day. Look, she could even have some snacks set up. So many ways. To be honest, I didn't actually think I was going to enjoy this set as much as I have, but there are lots of ways that we can play with it. Now, there is another set similar to this, which I will build very, very soon. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought about the set, and I will be back with a new video very, very soon. Bye!